Deep in the mountains of Guangdong lies a hidden sanctuary, Meizhou. Here, nature still holds absolute power. The vast, untouched greenery and winding rivers give this land a raw, peaceful beauty. What surprised me most in all this green is this thermal power plant. The massive cooling towers are covered in intricate graffiti, a surreal blend of heavy industry and street art. It's a cyberpunk contrast that's surprisingly beautiful. Not far from the industrial giants lies a place of solemn history, the Sanheba Monument. In 1927, this spot saw a pivotal battle. It's where the revolutionary spark was kept alive. Today, the piece here is the best tribute to that heavy past. But the real soul of Meizhou is hidden in these walled houses. Families built these fortresses centuries ago to protect against bandits. This is Tai'an Building, a rare stone structure standing for over 260 years. Its ancient texture feels so powerful amidst the modern town. In Meizhou, you see nature, industry, and ancient heritage coexisting. This multi-dimensional blend is the most authentic and charming side of rural China.